frozen fish, frozen snapper. Stay tuned. Yeah, ready for the act now. What? Stay tuned. The act now. Whoa. Fully cooked rice. So we got the pot on for how the peas and coconut milk are bubble up. Everything fully cut up now. Can't forget it in a pot. Now that we got the seasoning in a pot. Like the video. Okay, now that my rice is washed, just out here I go and chill out. Just wait for the rice to go and steam down. Yeah, then we get the ackee in the pot. Yeah, and then we get the fish. Our fish will start fry up. Stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Ackee stream out now. This is done. Ready to go on the menu. As soon as you get that, get some oil in it. Listen people, we got a one fish in it. You know, so when you scale the fish people, the dog take out the fish and bite off half of it. I'll fully hot now. Look at that. Look at that now. Fully fried. Started to get dark now. Ackee fry up. Somebody want to eat on camera, you guys can see how delicious the food, but subscribe and you will see next time. Subscribe, like up the video, leave a comment.